Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Ndunde. If you're new here, karibu sana, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So let's renovate this house because it was looking pretty bad. We started off with removing all these tiles. They were wooden, and the kids' bedroom too. The fundis removed everything, and then those were disposable, and then we decided to put in tiles, which we got from Sage Ceramics, and the fundis had to measure each and everything to make sure that the tiles fit everywhere. So this is our living room slash sitting room. That's our Wi-Fi, and as you can see, they did a pretty good job. And this was Monday when they started this work, the same day that I had gone to look for materials for my seats. So we decided to do everything together during the same time. As the seats were made, we decided to also make the sitting room and renovate each and everything. This will also be going. We had enough of them. Well, designs change and people change their taste with time. So this is how our sitting room looked like, and these are the tiles that were bought. These are the cements, the fillers, and everything that we needed. We renovated the house ourselves because my husband loves interior design and he does this work as part-time. So yeah, all this will go. So those are the fundis, just bringing in the tiles from the car. As I said, my hubby had gone to buy them, and this was pretty late, by the way. It was in the evening, and they had to come back the next day to start working on the house, the bedroom, the kids' bedroom, and the sitting room slash living room and dining room. So they started off with the kids' bedroom. This is their room, and we also changed the walls. We painted 10 walls different colors because this one was also overdue. We didn't want pink again in the kids' bedroom, and also for the sitting room we didn't also want the color that was there, so we had to change that as well. We wanted a whitish color. And the kids' bedroom was small, or is small, so they started with that so that they could proceed to the sitting room, which is wider, as they finish everything and leave.
Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. You go market.
We finished this room on the same day, and they started with the paints. Well, someone else started off with the paint, and they painted a creamish whitish color. I do not remember the name of the color of this color, but it's creamish whitish, and that's how everything looked like. And so now the other fundi started with the sitting room, putting the tiles together and everything, and the process went smooth, very smooth, because there was everything that they needed in the house and they didn't have to go and look for things during this time. Besides that, my husband was around, so everything was very smooth, and we loved the process, the entire process.
Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? Are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time, no.
Certain things never used to make me as happy as I was while this was getting done, but here they were almost finished with everything. And just look at that. Now we had to clean all all this. By we, I mean me. I had to clean all this after they were done with the tiles, so that now the fundi who was painting could come and work on everything. And here he had already removed the cornices that were all round. If you had seen earlier, you would see that there was something at the center here. So he was putting in filler, and then he went ahead and also painted the entire room because of the filler, obviously. And we also removed the wood that was here. And so this is it. I was quite happy when this happened. So there he is, putting in the filler so to hide the holes that were there. And here he had already finished with the paints. Look at that. Very smooth, very clean. We loved everything. Hey guys, good morning. So today is on Monday, and this is an empty sort of house tour of my home. This is how it looks like. I'll not show you how it looks like afterwards, but maybe just the suites. So this is what we have. We had the fundi install these ones. These are just normal wood, and then painted a different color on the walls. As you can see, it's different from how it used to be. We painted this, is it a cornice? Yeah, we painted that a different color. The ceilings were painted again. I think it's the same color as this, which is kind of cream. He also, the same fundi that did here, installed this part. It looks really nice. I like this idea, but this whole idea was my husband's, anyway, not mine. So that's how this is looking so far. So let's just wait for the seats, and then I need the same fundi to make me a bedside table. I'll show you how it's going to look after he has made it with this. It's more like wood, but it's very heavy. So I will show you all that in another video. And then my Wi-Fi needs to be mounted on the wall, and then I'll show you everything when it comes. And then remember, I had some design here. They were removed. These are lights that were there. Let's see. It's lights. So, and then we remained now with this one light, which we will change in the course of, we still have time. So we will change this, but it's going to stay like that for now until we decide on what to do. We already know what we want to do, so we will be changing up this light as well to a different kind of lighting for my dining area, because this is my dining area. Yep. Oh, the most important part, I even forgot, were the floors. This is how these floors are looking. They have some sort of a pattern to them, and I do love. So these are the same ones that are in the kids' bedroom. Oh, I love this one. I wish we had gone with this the first time, but you learn with time. So this is what we have right now, and I'm loving it. I love it. You see, now I need to clean this whole place up and wipe everything up. As you can see, the door, it's needs a lot of work. So yeah. And so the seats were brought in. Oh my goodness, I couldn't wait to record this part. So the reason I look like this is because I didn't wake up so long ago, and it's around 9. I was tired. Yeah. So my seats are finally here. If you didn't know, I haven't had seats for, this is the second week, and I have the kids in the house. I had to take them from their grandmas, so they are here. So we didn't have seats. They've been sitting on these dining seats for the longest now, and so now that they are finally here, I am so happy. The house looks amazing. The only thing I'm meaning to do is get paintings and things to decorate the house, but I'm so excited. So here are the seats. This is the reveal. They look amazing. I love the color because of the kids around the house. They tend to make everything dirty, but with this color it can hide away dirt. But I'm not proud of saying that aloud, but it's the truth. With white seats and kids around, everything just looks like it's a mess, but maybe soon enough. But as of now, this is what we have. I love the brown seats. I also love this sofa bed. If you remember, it was cream in color, and now we changed the material to this color, which looks amazing. It's very different from the other colors of the other seats, but this will work for now. I also loved how the stands for the seats looked like. They were gold, and yeah, the design turned out amazing. I love them. I also love these ones for this seat. Everything I would give 100 out of 100 or 110 out of 100. And so here is
this
the
is the
before.
first seat. This is the design that we had opted for that time.
Now
this is how it looks.
Wow, amazing, right? You can tell that it's actually the same seat that was changed. So guys, if you have enjoyed, give this video, show some love, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye guys, cheers.